Interns under the Provincial Skills Development Programme took their frustrations to the office of the Premier, staging a 6-hour protest, demanding the fast-tracking of their overdue payments. They say they are still owed last month's and this month's payment, ranging between 5,500 rands and 6,000 rands. 26-year-old Ibanati Mhlebi, who is interning at the Department of Health, says she depends entirely on her stipend to pay rent and has no one else who can support her.
Ndibulele kwi-OTP ngosinika le opportunity baninzi abantwana abahleli emakhaya abadinga imisebenzi nathi siyayibulela loo nto solake mhlawumbi asiyibulile okanye kutheni just that into abasenza yona it's very painful. Umzekelo mna ndiyarenta andinabazali ndixhomekeke kum yonke into endiyenzayo ndiyenzela for mna ndisematyaleni njengangoku ndithetha because I had to pay rent and awukwazi ukuthi every month uqhubekeke kumastandi especially ongumntu ongutata ubuthetha izitori oba ngathi uyamfuna or something oko sokuthetha isitori soba irent kwathini you are late kuyonke loo nto yabo awukwazi uyenza loo nto like in everything ndixhomekeke kum ayikho umuntu ongandinceda ngaphandle kwam. Ewe zikhona ii-relatives but sometimes abantu bayadikwa banezinto zabo they have their own things funeka uzenzele izinto ziphande especially xa ungenabazali akufani tu.
Another intern, 32-year-old tourism graduate Luxolo Mpahleni, who is interning in the Department of Sports, Arts and Culture, says he is responsible for supporting his younger brother, but with no income coming in, he has been unable to help him.
Apho ndisuka khona bendiphangela ndaresign ndisithi ndifumene i-opportunity which is ndizosebenza kwi-degree that is aligned with lo msebenzi le nto ndandiyifundele. And ke ngoku umninawa wam uxhomekeke kum use-university, he's doing his first year. Uxhomekeke kum uba ngoku for 17 days oko ndimxelela amabali andazi nangoku uba utya ntoni. So ke ngoku ndithi umntana makafunde njani kuyabhalwa ngoku zii-exams. So ifikele kuloo point sifumana nee-reports lapho abantwana abangamantombazana bayaharaswa ngoomastandi babo babafuna ebhedini bafuna ukwabelana ngesondo bayazinyasha kubo. Omnye ngoku sisandofumana iripoti ethi ubanjwe sistroke ngoku because of le nto yenziwa ngu-ATP.
The Office of the Premier says the delays are due to transition challenges after taking over the programme from former service provider Chipper Holdings. They say they are still verifying the interns' documentation.
As committed, the payment of beneficiaries commenced last week to approximately 10% of our beneficiaries. And this week, we have scheduled 2 payment runs where we will be accelerating the payment of outstanding stipends. The Office of the Premier unfortunately experienced some challenges during the transition of the project from the implementing agent to the in-house management of the project. As part of assuming full responsibility administratively of this project, we undertook a comprehensive physical verification process to confirm the existence of the beneficiaries. Although the physical verification process has now been completed, we are in the process of testing the validity, completeness, as well as the accuracy of each beneficiary's information, and that remains underway. This includes matching the beneficiaries on the system with the records that have been sourced during the verification process, ensuring that each beneficiary has his or her employment file complete with all relevant documentation, including a signed contract. These are the department's internal controls implemented prior to any release of payment to beneficiaries and are critical measures that the OTP is taking as part of improving compliance and accountability standards in the management of public funds. The department continues to engage closely with representatives of the beneficiaries to provide updates and address concerns, and the OTP sincerely apologizes for the additional delays experienced and assures all affected beneficiaries that the department is working around the clock to finalize the payment. We have set up a command center with a dedicated team of administrators, finance officials and HR personnel to fast-track this work. And we remain committed to advancing skills development in the province and ensuring that all related programs are implemented efficiently and run smoothly.
Meanwhile, the interns say they simply don't know how they expected to survive. Some believed things would improve when the office of the Premier took over, but say the situation has only worsened.
And even brought to their attention that there are interns that are forced by their host employers to go and work whilst benganikwanga zipayment. So asonwabanga at all, zonke ezinzame akwange kubekho sisombululo siswami. Khange kubekho sisombululo, asikho happy.
Bebethe bamgxothile u-CTA besithi nguye i-problem. Ngoku still we are facing the same issues ebezikhona. Even worse, abantu ngoku bathi hayi bayayibona uba ibingengo-CTA oyingxaki. And ke ngoku siyabawela uba sibhatalwe on time. Ngoba every time xa kufika i-date, instead of getting excited, you are depressed because awazi noba uzobhatala.
The interns say they were supposed to be paid on the 10th of November 2025. But after yesterday's feedback, the Office of the Premier says it still cannot provide a date for the next stipend payment. Many say they are now unsure how they will afford transport to work as they are sinking deeper into debt. For MPK TV News, I am Nandi Pamestile in Bisho.